you under this string manipulation series. So today we will be solving isomorphic strings problem. So basically, two strings are isomorphic in if in the first string each character can be replaced by another character, and we can get another string. So here in an example, the first example, the first string is egg and second one is add. So here you can see that each character of first string is getting replaced by another character, and for E, A is replacing it, and for G it is replacing like D is replacing G, and for the second G also the D is replacing. So if in case like some other character would have been replacing second G, then it would not have been a isomorphic, these two strings. But here both the G's are being replaced by the same character D, that's why they are isomorphic. Okay, the second example, foo and bar, they aren't isomorphic because here you can see that foo is being replaced by B, sorry, F is replaced by B, which is okay, and then the O is being replaced by A, this is also okay, but the second O in foo is not being replaced by the same character, that is A, but it has got an like new character called R, so that's why it is not isomorphic. So basically we'll have to implement this algorithm. I have already written the boilerplate like structure of function and then how the function will be called. So we'll just be having, we'll just be implementing the algorithm part. So what we have to do is, we have to basically, first of all, we need to check whether length of both the strings are same, and that will be the first check. And if it is same, and then we'll be continuing for the further checks. And if it is not same, then straight away we'll be returning that they're not isomorphic, because they should be of same length. That should be the first check, and then we'll be maintaining a map for each character of first string to the character of the second string, how they are getting replaced. And if some character is getting repeated in first string, so what we'll be doing is we'll be checking whether same character is replacing it in the second string or not. If it is not, then we'll be returning from there with the flag as false, that they are not isomorphic. So let's get started with the implementation. As we'll be implementing, we'll be explaining what things are getting into into code, and we'll be taking from there. So let's create a flag called is isomorphic, and make it true initially, and also a map that we'll be needing, so an empty dictionary in Python. Okay, now the first check would be if length of the first string, that is S, is equals to length of second string T, then only we'll be containing L for the timing pass. Else we'll be simply making it false, the flag, and at the end of the function we'll just return the variable is isomorphic, so which will be basically a flag to tell whether those strings are isomorphic or not. So it will be a boolean value, either true or false. Okay, so now we'll be focusing inside the length, this part, this check, where the length of both the strings are same, right? So what we'll be checking is for index and character in enumerate S. So we'll be iterating over the first string with index and character, and now we'll be checking if ch in ch map. So basically we are checking basically we are checking here that if character is already not present in the map, then we'll be just creating a new entry for the character and assign it with the value or the character at the same index in the second string. So we'll be getting that with index. Now that is fine. Else means that ch is already present in the map. So in that case, we want to check that its value, if it is already present as a key in the map, then its value should be the same value should be the same. Okay, its value should be the same as the character in the second string as an index. Okay, perfect. So ch map. Okay, we need to have a check if ch map is not equals to sorry, ch map of ch is not equals to t of index, then basically we'll be again making it false and breaking out of the loop. So I'll explain everything what I'm doing and break out of loop. So now it seems fine. Okay, and at the end we are returning the flag. So basically we have called a function with three inputs, egg, add. So they are isomorphic, so it should return true. The second foo bar, they are not isomorphic, that's why they should be returning false in this case. And in the second foo and hii, they are isomorphic because f is being replaced by h, and both the o's are replaced by the same letter, that is I, so they should be true. So let's run it for the first time and then we'll explain. True, false, true. Okay, so the implementation is correct. Now I'll explain what I have done over here. So basically this is a function which is taking two strings as input, s and t. So I'm basically initializing a flag is isomorphic as true initially, which will be basically will be there to take decisions, and then there is this map which will be basically having one-on-one map of the characters of both the strings. So first check we are having is the length of both the strings. If they are same, then only we'll be continuing inside the logic. Else straightforward we'll be making the flag as false and return it. Okay. So now let's focus on the if part. So under if the length of both the strings are same, then we are iterating over the first string character by character using enumerate so that we can also get the index, and then for each character we are checking if the character is present in the map or dictionary as a key or not. If it is not, then we'll be creating a new entry for that character and with its value as the character in the second string at the same index. Okay, so we are basically creating a one-to-one map for each string in the both the in both the what do you call it in both the strings. Okay, and in else part, else is basically the character which is where in the iteration is already present as a key in the ch map or dictionary. Okay, so if it is already present, then we are checking that the value for that key in the map should be equal to the character at the index in the second string. If it is not, then we are making the flag as false and breaking out of the loop. We'll be sure that if any of the characters is not like following this rule, then also obviously both the strings are not isomorphic, so will be there is no point of continuing with the loop. So just break out of the loop and return whatever the value of the is isomorphic is. Okay, so so this is the basically implementation of the problem. If you have any doubt, any question regarding the implementation or algorithm or the question itself, so you can ask those into comment section. And also please like and like this video if you have basically loved this solution, and also subscribe to the channel and or click on that bell icon so that you are notified whenever things are uploaded. And also like there are like certain plans apart from this string series. After this string series we'll be basically having other series like arrays, linked list, tag, queue, and then Python series. So there will be a lot of things are in pipeline as of now. So yeah, thank you for your support and happy learning, happy coding. Thanks.